Finally, I got a new Sony NP-FW50 battery along with a Digitek charger. If you are using Sony Alpha cameras, this might be one of the most useful accessories you can find. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are unboxing the Sony NP-FW50 battery and the Digitek DUC-006 charger. Let's see what comes inside the box and whether it looks worth the money. Let's start with the battery. The packaging is simple and compact. This is the genuine NP-FW50 rechargeable battery pack with the capacity of 1020 mAh and 7.2 volts. The packaging looks clean as expected from Sony. Inside the box we get papers and some instructions, and here is the battery, well packed with the bubble wrap. This build quality feels solid and compact. This battery is commonly used in cameras like the Sony Alpha 6000 series and other Alpha models. Now let's take a look at the Digitek charger. This is the Digitek DUC-006 high-speed 12 battery charger, and it's designed specially for Sony FW50 batteries. Let's open it up and check the contents. Inside we get the charger unit and the power cable. Moving back to the charger, let's unbox it as well. The charger itself feels lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry in bag. Having a dedicated charger can be much more convenient than charging through camera. The LED indicator should make it easy to track charging status. Overall, both products look well built, and together they make useful combination for photographers and videographers who need extra power during shoots. If you found this unboxing helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more camera gear and tech content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.